how to log out of second Instagram account. So if you want to log out of Instagram account, your second Instagram account, then open up your Instagram application and then go for your profile, which is on the bottom right, and here on the upper side you will have your username of your Instagram account, right? So you can simply tap on the drop down bar of that username, and here you will have multiple accounts, right? So if you want to log out, then what you can do is you can go for the upper right corner, which has that three bar icon. Go for settings and privacy, and here you can scroll all the way down, and here on the last option you will have log out of all accounts. So you can simply choose that and then log out, and that's it. That's how you log out of each and every account on your Instagram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.